Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see intersection curve option in SolidWorks. Now, in our previous video tutorial, we have seen convert entities option. Now, intersection curve option is quite similar. Okay, what this option is basically going to do? Now, we can see over here, I have created some random geometry. This is a cube, and on one of the face of this cube, I have created some random projection. Now, this is quite irregular in shape because I just want to show the importance of this option. Now suppose I want to draw something on this plane. Let me first exit from sketching mode. Okay, I want to draw something on this plane, for which I want a reference of this intersection of this geometry with this plane. For that, I want to convert this irregular shape as a sketch on this plane for drawing some another thing. For that, I can use directly convert entities option. I can directly project this on this face. Okay, and or what we can do else, that we can directly select intersection curve option. Now first we will do this operation by using convert entities, and later we will do by using intersection curve. Okay, now for using convert entities, the first important thing is that we should be in sketch mode. I select this face as my sketch plane. Then I just click on this convert entities option. Okay, and we can see that this face is going to convert into the sketching plane. Now again I will select this convert entities option. I will select this edge and click OK. Then we can see that this is getting projected on this face. Okay, this edge as a sketch is going to be projected on this plane because this is my sketching plane. Now same thing we can do by using intersection curve option. Now we'll see intersection curve option. Now for using intersection curve option, we have to select the sketching plane. I select this as my sketching plane. Now what we will do, now we can see that this face is going to intersect with this geometry, that is boss extrude 2. Now for this we'll select the intersection curve option, and we'll select this boss extrude feature and this plane and click OK. We can see that the projection of this intersection is going to created on this plane. So in this way we can use intersection curve option in SolidWorks. Now both these options are quite similar, as you would have understood the difference between these two options if you have seen the previous video tutorial on the convert entities option. That's all in this video tutorial. In our upcoming video tutorials, we are going to see offset entities option in SolidWorks. That's all. Thank you.